In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load the Waze Live Map system in Chrome and check travel times from a custom starting point. To begin, open the Chrome browser application on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Waze Live Map website and allow the page a moment to fully load. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few seconds. It's a good idea to wait until the map, search tools, and route options are all visible before moving on, so everything responds smoothly as you work. When the Waze Live Map is ready, look for the text field labeled From or Starting Point. This is the area where you can tell Waze where your trip will begin. Click directly inside that field to activate it. If the cursor appears in the box, that means it's ready for input. Taking a second to confirm you're in the correct field is helpful, especially if there are multiple search boxes on the screen. Next, type in the custom departure city or address you want to use as your alternative starting point. Be as accurate as possible when entering the location. In most cases, a full address or a clearly recognized city name will help Waze calculate more reliable route results. As you type, you may notice suggestions appearing automatically. These can be useful if you want to quickly confirm that the map is recognizing the place you intended to enter. After your custom starting point has been entered, pause briefly and let Waze update the route information. The system will recalculate travel times based on the new departure location you provided. This is the key part of the process because it allows you to compare your route using a different origin point instead of the default or previously selected one. Now review the newly calculated travel times shown on the screen. These updated times reflect the route options that match your customized start point. Take a close look at the results, since Waze may offer different travel durations depending on current traffic conditions, road availability, or route efficiency. If the map shifts or highlights a route automatically, that's normal and usually indicates the system has finished recalculating. And that's it. By loading Waze Live Map in Chrome, selecting the starting point field, entering a custom departure location, and reviewing the updated travel times, you can quickly see how a different starting point affects your trip. This is a simple but very useful way to plan ahead more accurately.